So how to withdraw with PayPal into your own account, especially if you do not have FNB, because if you do have FNB account, then it is easy for you to withdraw because you can link your account with PayPal and then you can get paid. But for a person who does not really have an account with FNB, then it's going to be difficult for you, especially for people who are from South Africa, because I think also in other countries, other people are able to link their banks with PayPal. But for South Africans, it is not that easy unless you have an FNB account. So I want to take you through because I also get paid on PayPal and I am able to transfer my money into my bank even though I'm not using or do not have FNB, right? So how do we do this? So it's quite a lengthy process. First of all, if you do not have an account with PayPal, you need to create an account with PayPal. So it's quite easy. The only thing you do just to go online, maybe on Google, you can just say PayPal and then it's going to show up and then you can go and create your account. Going to click on sign up and then you're going to start putting your details and you choose what type of account do you want, personal account or business account. So I would say choose personal account if you just want to be paid for online jobs that you will be doing online. Just choose personal account. Then after you have clicked over there, you are then going to enter your information. So for an example, you can just fill in your name, your surname, all the details they ask you to fill in, all your details and your email. Then you will have to verify your email and then you click the email and you verify your email, and that's it basically. You want to link any bank cards, you can link them. If you do have an FNB account, you can just link your FNB account. If you are not banking with FNB, then this is what you are going to do. And then you are going to go to FNB online banking. Okay, so here are the steps that you are going to follow to do this. So you go to www.online.fnb.co.za banking / banking. So you do not have an account with FNB, you are a non-FNB customer, so that's what you are going to click. You are going to click where it says register for PayPal for non-FNB customers. So you click over there and then you're going to click where it says for me. You can see over there it says for me and for my business. So you're going to click the one that says for me because you're doing this for you, not for a business. You are going to click where it says I do not have a bank with FNB. After you have clicked that, then you're going to start filling the form. So this is you creating an online banking with FNB without a card. You're not going to need your ID or your card or anything like that. It's just going to be an online banking account that you are going to use. Okay, so this is what we just did right now. So you're going to fill in all the details they are asking you on that form. After you've done that, then you are done. You've got an account. So you can also download an app, an FNB app. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to log in into your FNB online banking. You're going to go to where it says my bank accounts, then select PayPal services. For me, it's not going to show because I already have an account with them. So my PayPal account is already linked with this. So you can see that at the bottom is already linked with FNB. So you are going to then select PayPal services and then you choose a link PayPal profile. All right. Then you enter your PayPal email address, your ID number, your balance of payment details, and then you're going to enter your non-FNB account details, including your bank, email address, phone number, and physical address. So basically, that's where you are going to add your bank account, which is the one that you are using. All right. So if you're using Absa, Standard Bank, Capitec as well. So you put everything that I just mentioned. You're going to link your own bank, which is your Absa, your Standard Bank, and then you're going to put it there. But mine is already here, so everything is already here. So my PayPal account is linked. So yours is going to look different, but that's the steps that you need to follow when you are doing it. Okay, so it does take a couple of days before they can confirm and update it. They will let you know though if how long it's going to take. It will depend on your bank as well, but they are going to confirm. So there is a waiting period. I think mine was 3 business days. Maybe it is longer or it has changed. So there is a time frame that you need to wait before it's updated. So to withdraw money, you will have to log in into their website, or you're gonna just use your app because you can also download the FNB app. So you go to fnb.co.za, you go over there and then you go and log in to your online banking with FNB. After you log in, you are going to go, it says Forex. This is you withdrawing money now. You are going to go, it says PayPal services. You are going to click where it says PayPal withdrawal. And then you are going to select how much money are you going to withdraw. So this is what you're going to do. So that's the only balance I have on my PayPal account. So you can just say select your bank. Your bank is already selected over there. You just put the amount that you are going to withdraw. If it's $3, put your $3 over there, and that's it. And then you say continue. You're just going to follow the instructions, right? And then you are going to select also the bank that you are going to withdraw to, which is your bank account. It's going to be as easy as that, guys. And then you're going to continue, and you just follow the instructions. And so you can click anywhere. So when I withdraw here, I click anything. I click commission fee. I just select anything from here, but I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to withdraw that money. So there is a fee that they are going to charge you when you are withdrawing. That's it, guys. That's all. If you've got any other questions, please do ask in the comment section down below, because a lot of you have been asking about this. And in return, guys, if you want to support me, the only thing you can do is to like the video, is to subscribe, and also comment in the comment section down below. If this was helpful, please let me know. I would love to know that. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. I'll see you over here.